Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. So today's video is going to be very interesting. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a wig like this. Make sure you watch this video till the end if you want to see how I got to install it, and without further ado, let's get to the video. Hey loves, so let's get to this tutorial. So I got this wig from Makeupcloudke Kenya, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to install such a wig. This is not so hard to install. So what you do, first of all, you fit in your wig so that you can see if it's going to fit from ear to ear as expected, and you can see the wig fits very well. After that, we cut the lace into parts. So I like to cut the middle and the side so that I can have an easier process while cutting the lace. So for this tutorial, I was cutting from the ear towards the middle.
Them are random. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that she no they do me she get. You want it come on fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh baby I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see.
Had already done my makeup, that's why you can see there's a part on my forehead that is looking kind of weird. So yeah, don't be alarmed when you see that. So whenever I do my makeup and I want to do a wig install, I just wipe the makeup around my forehead, then I just install my wig. And I'm using the Go-To-Be spray to install this wig. So it's just spraying around my hairline. And guys, be careful while using this glue, because you do not want to spray the glue close to your hairline, because it's going to damage your hairline when you want to remove it. And I know some guys are not patient. Some guys are not patient while removing the wig, so avoid spraying the glue or applying glue close to your hairline, because it's going to damage your hairline, and this is supposed to be a protective style. So be very careful while using the glue while installing your wig. So like you saw guys on my previous wig install, I was using this curling custard for my curls. You can get it from Geenylove Naturals, and this curling custard does magic on curly hair, curly wigs. I don't know, like anything curly goes well with this curling custard. But make sure you spray some water, or your hair should be a bit damp. Then use the curling custard on top and thank me later, guys. I'm going to put a link on the description box on where to get it, or where you can buy it directly from their Instagram page. I have been using the products for like, I think, is it a year or 2 years now, and they're really nice.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anyway. them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that come she no they do me she get. You wanna come on fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Girl, one boy and need your money, yo. Need your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We can do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel if I know if you do, I'ma go talk on. Baby, you rock on. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I just gotta tell you, what's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette.
So guys, this is the end of this video. I got this wig from makeupcloudke. They have really nice wigs. They have human hair wigs, semi-human hair wigs, so you can get whichever you feel you like or whatever is comfortable with you. And this one over here is Soraya. So this is a human hair wig. It's 12 inches, 13 by 4 lace at the front, and it looks really amazing. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section on your thoughts on this wig, and until our next video guys, bye.